Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. So in this video, I'm going to be providing you an update here on my Robinhood account, alright? So as you can see, the account is moving, finally guys. So I've been in a major consolidation for the last 2 or 3 weeks. However, my account finally popped out of it, as you guys can see here. Initially, the account started off down here, but I saw several opportunities where I could potentially make a quick buck with some options trades, alright? So I went ahead and did that, took advantage of that. The volatile movement in the morning, sold the options, came up with like $800 profit on like 3 contracts on some put options. And from there, some of my positions started gaining traction as well. I sold my Ethereum as well, so I think I gained like $400 off of that, because that came out of a consolidation as well. And then Bitcoin is popping right now too. These are just some of the positions I have here. Alright, I'm gonna go through them briefly. Like I mentioned in some of my other videos, I'm holding on to these long term here because some of them are dividend paying stocks. So those will reward me in the meantime while I'm holding on for them to appreciate in value. All right, so I'll be holding on for these. I'll be holding on to these for a while. All right, so let's go ahead and just take a look at some of these. As you guys can see, some of the Chinese stocks are down considerably. All right, so you guys could potentially start using the stair-step method that I've discussed in my previous videos to get into some of these stocks like Baba, Pinduoduo, JD, Baidu, things like that. Robinhood recently sold it at 42. That was a major mistake because it ended up popping up to like 70 something dollars, guys. So I did the original IPO where I went in, I acquired some shares at $38 per share. I held on for about a week, and then they finally started popping. I sold off because it started creating a parabolic move, and usually parabolic moves are not sustainable, so you want to be careful with those. So I ended up selling now. However, it did manage to go up to at least 30 to 77 bucks, guys. So essentially that would have been double. No, that was double my money if I would have just held on a little longer. I think I had like 65 shares. Well, let me check here. I'll show you guys. All right, so as you guys can see here, hold on, it's going to show me some of the breakdown. So the summary, so I was an allocated investor at $38 a share, all right? However, I'll go ahead and show you guys the transaction that happened. All right, so while it kept on falling, basically Robinhood kept on declining in value, so I kept on using the stair-step method because I knew eventually it would recover. So I ended up selling that at 51.50. However, so I had, how many shares did I have? I had 58 shares. So I ended up selling out at 41.50. However, look at just yesterday, stocks popped up to like 77 bucks. I'll show you here on the candle. $73. I ended up popping up to $73, so that essentially that would have been double my money. Well, it is double. It would have been double my money because I was able to average down my cost to $36. So 36 times 2 would be 72. I went up to 73, so I would have doubled my money there. So essentially my 2,400 would have gone up another 2,400, around there, give or take 100 or 200. All right, so but like I said, it was creating a parabolic move. Just look at this price action. So it started off the day here, ended up popping all the way up to here. I was like, yeah, that's not sustainable, and exactly look what happens later on. So after you've been in the market for a while, guys, you'll start catching on to some of these things. All right, so I just want to provide you guys a little update here on the account. So like I said, my account was in a major consolidation, finally broke out, and I expect higher prices coming in, especially since the market doesn't want to go down anytime soon. All right, so I'll provide you guys an update later on. If you guys like this content and want to follow me on my journey to $100,000, please subscribe to the channel. Help me out, hit the like button as well for the YouTube algorithm. And thank you guys, and like I said, I'll provide you guys updates, so hit the notification after you subscribe. That way you guys can get updates on my videos, not just on this account, but on my M1 Finance account, my Fundrise account, and other investments I have as well that I haven't disclosed in this channel yet. But however, I will be providing you guys with those updates. All right, so go ahead and help me out with that, guys. And like I said, be patient out there. Something big is going to happen in the market, so have some cash on hand. All right, have a great day.